Alright, explorers, today we are going to look at using divisibility rules, and the divisibility rules will help us out when finding factors of numbers, or just saying and trying to decide if a number is divisible by another number to help us make it smaller. So we're going to use these three random numbers, okay? And we're going to take a look at the rules for dividing by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 10. Alright, so we're going to start with 2. Okay. So for 2, it's really easy. All I have to do is look at the last digit, so that digit in the ones place. So in this number, I'm going to look at the 8. In 7,560, I'm going to look at 0. And in 100,675, I'm going to look at the 5. Okay. So 8 is so if it's divisible by a number, this last digit is going to be even. All right. So 0, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Alright. So 8 is even. So yes. Just put a Y for yes. This number works for 2. Okay. 7,560, that's 0, is even, so that also works. And 5 is odd, so no, it doesn't work. Okay. Alright, so then if we go to 3 for our next one. Oh, hang on. Alright, so now we're going to look at 3. The rule for 3 is if I add up all of the digits of my number, and the sum of the digits, we can divide that number by 3, then we can divide the original number by 3. So, take a look. I'm going to add up 3, 6, 9, 9, 4, 9, and 8. Okay, so if I add them up, I know that 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 is 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. 27 plus another 9 is 36. Plus 4 is 40. And plus 8 is 48. Okay, so I know that 48 is divisible by 3, so this number is yes. If you don't know if 48 is divisible by 3, well, we can do it again. We can go 4 plus 8 is 12, and I know 12, you can divide 12 by 3. If you don't know that, you can go 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 is divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So yes, 3 is divisible, or 3,699,498 is divisible by 3. So again, we'll go with this one. And we'll do 7 plus 5 plus 6 plus 0. Okay, I know that 7 plus 5 is 12. Plus 6 is 18. Plus 0 is 18. Okay, so this one works because 18 divided by 3 is 6. So we know that that works. Then we're going to look at this last one. Let's start with 1 and 0 and 0, 6, 7, 5. So 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 7 is 14, plus 6, 7, 14, 19. Okay, 12, 18, 19, yep. 19 is not divisible by 3. We can't divide 19 divided by 3 and get a whole number answer. So, no. Or 3. Okay, then let's move over to 4. Okay, 4, we are going to look at the last 2 digits. So we're going to look at 98, we're going to look at 60, and we're going to look at 75 for our 4s. So for 98, if you're not sure, 98 is divisible. If you can divide 98 divided by 4, let's do divided by 2 first. And we know that 8 is divisible by 2. So 98 divided by 2. Okay, we can do that once. So that's 49. Now, I know that 49 is odd, so I can't divide it by 2 again. So because I couldn't divide 98 by 2 twice, then it is not divisible by 4. Okay, so this one, I know that 60 divided by 4 I can do, but if you don't, 60 divided by 2 is 30. Then if I divide by 2 again, I get to 15. So I took it once and twice, so I divided 60 by 2 two times. So yes, it's divisible by 4. 60 divided by 4 is 15. So therefore 7,560 is divisible by 15. And our last number, 75, is not divisible by 4 because it's an odd number. Alright, so we'll just put another n over here. Alright, let's go ahead and look at our 5. Okay, so our 5 now. 5 is really easy. If the number ends in a 5 or a 0, then it's divisible by 5. So again, we're just going to look at this, that second, or the last digit, the digit that is in the ones place. Okay, so we're going to look at the 8, we're going to look at the 0, and we're looking at 5. So in this number, 3,699,498, 8 is not a 0 or a 5, so no, 5 doesn't work. And 7,560, 0 is a 0 or a 5, so yes, it works. And the last number ends in a 5, so yes, it works. Okay? And that's all you do for 5. For 6 is just using what we already did. Okay, so 6 is, it has to be divisible by both 2 and 3 in order for it to work. So we come back here, and we don't even have to do any work. I'm just going to look at our 2 and our 3, so our white and our blue. So for 3,699,498, it was divisible by 2 and 3, so yes, it's going to work for 6. 6 is going to be divisible. Okay, same thing here. Now look at 7,560. Yes and yes. So yes, my 6 is also divisible. And then my third number, 1,675, I'm going to look at both of them, and neither one of them, or it wasn't divisible by 2 or 3, so it's not divisible by 6. Okay. Let's look for a color we haven't used yet. Okay. Alright, next is 9. So 9 is the same rule for 3. We're going to add up all the numbers and divide it by 9 this time, though. Okay. So I'm going to come back here and I'm going to look at 48. Alright, because I added up all the digits already. So 48, I cannot divide 48 by 9. So this number is null for 9. Alright, this one, I'm going to look at 18 because I added up all the digits already. And 18 divided by 9, I know I can do that. So yes, this one works. And then my last one, 19. I cannot divide 19 by 9, so no, it does not work. Alright, and our last one is our 10. Okay, so 10 is a really easy rule. If the number ends in a 0, then yes, it's divisible by 10. So 8, nope, not divisible. Oops. I had to hurry this video, I'm running out of battery. Alright, so nope, can't do it. Okay. This one, that's 0, so yes, that's divisible by 10. My last one, 5 is not a 0, so no. Alright, So those are the divisibility rules for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 10.